Hey there, this is the quick step-by-step installation of Core Bagel for Windows. So let's get started with
Los Grosos.
Come on, we can do this. Today we will go step by step through the process of installing prerequisites, cloning the repository, creating a virtual environment, installing the requirements, setting up models, and starting the app. Ready? Course you are. For the prerequisites, you need some hardware and a basic setup of CUDA Toolkit, Python, and Git. The hardware requirements are normal. Still, you should have more than 8 GB video RAM for it to run properly. If your PC is not set up for AI yet, and you want an automated, beginner-friendly, but efficient way to set up your PC, you can use my other project, Crosso's Setup. It's fully free and open source, and it setups your Mac, Windows, or Linux PC automatically to be ready for Python development or just running all kinds of AI projects. It includes a system checker to assess how well installed your current setup is before you install anything. That's what I use for all my development across all my systems. Where were we? Oh yes, let's install this puppy. Now we will change to our normal account to start the installation. We then open a terminal with no admin rights and a file explorer at the location to store the repository, plus a browser for instructions. So we clone the repository to our hard drive. You can see the new directory appear on your drive. Then we create a Python virtual environment to contain the libraries. This also appears as a directory if you activated Hidden Directory View. We see the activated environment on the left of our prompt. Now we install the requirements. This can take a while, so I sped up the video so we don't get bored. If you don't have any models yet, you need to download them first. If you don't have any models, you can use the download scripts located within the folder, Models. To reuse existing models, we start any app file with the Check Models option to generate a configuration file. You can open this file with any text editor and adapt the paths of your models and change internal app parameters without touching code. Read the repository documentation for more information on this. You can run the Check Models command again to confirm that the app can see your models. Now the installation is finished. Anytime you want to use the apps, you need to activate the virtual environment and start the app. The browser opens automatically when the process is ready. To end the app, just close the terminal window or press Ctrl+C on it. Check my other videos on how to use the app. For now, we are finished for the quick installation on Windows, the best system of them all.